How to change region in Steam. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Steam application on your device. You can also go for the browser option. Then open up the Steam application and log into your account. After logging into your account, the home page will look something like this. Now you can tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the support options, which will be seeing below the settings option. So just tap on support, and then as you tap on support you can just scroll down and tap on my account over here. After tapping on my account, scroll down and tap on manage account details, which is the very first option that pops up. Then scroll down again and here you'll be able to see different options from manage account, email, phone number and country. So scroll down again and you'll be able to see the option of update store country. So if you have moved to a different country, you may be able to update a Steam wallet and how you view the Steam store. So just tap on update store country, and here it says that in order to update the store country you need to contact the Steam support. So just tap on contact Steam support at the bottom of the screen. Then as a tap on that, tap on contact Steam support, and here you just have to select the country of your residence different than the other one. So for example, if I'm going to choose Brazil over here, and you just have to select and supply the details about your request on why you are moving to a new country and what's the reason, and also provide proper verification. After that, you can attach a file as well to prove that you are in a different country now. After that, you just have to tap on send, and the team of the Steam support will contact you within 24 hours. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.